X just made their entire algorithm public. The full code is on GitHub right now and anyone can read it. So I did. And what I found completely changed how I think about posting on X. Because the algorithm does not work the way anyone is telling you it does. There is no AI reading your writing. It doesn't care if you spend hours writing the perfect post. It's just a scorer with 19 signals, which are calculated based off the engagement. That's literally it. And once I understood that, I built a tool using adaptive AI that tells me exactly why posts go viral in any niche before I write a single word. I'm going to show you the whole thing today, including building it from scratch live. Okay, so I'm on Adaptive. This is a fresh session and I'm building this from scratch. Now, before I type anything, Adaptive is an AI agent, not a chatbot. The difference is it doesn't just answer questions. It actually builds things, runs things, figures stuff out on its own. I'm not a developer and I can't code. I've tried building stuff like this in Cursor and Claude Code before, and the moment something breaks, I'm completely stuck because I don't know how to fix it. Adaptive is different. I describe what I want and it handles everything else. Now, before I send my prompt, I need one thing first, which is API keys from twitterapi.io. This is what lets the tool actually pull data from X. Takes 2 minutes to set up. I'm on twitterapi.io now, so I already have an account, but you guys watching the video need to make an account too so you can access the API. The best part about this API is that you get 10K bonus credits when you sign up, and that's enough to build our agent. Back to Adaptive. Here's the prompt I'm typing. Build me a tool that takes a keyword, uses the twitterapi.io API to scrape the top viral posts for that keyword on X, analyses why they went viral, and generates an MD file I can use to prompt an AI to write similar posts in that niche. Here are my API keys. Sending it now. So while this is building, I want to explain something that's going to make the demo make way more sense. Most people think going viral is about being super good at writing. Good hook, CTA, and it'll perform. And that's not totally wrong, but it's missing the actual mechanic behind it. The algorithm scores every post with 19 signals, every single one based on engagement behavior, not content quality, not how well written something is. Whether people will reply to it, retweet it, DM it to someone, click your profile, follow you after seeing it. That's the entire system. Which means the algorithm isn't asking, is this good? It's asking, will people react to this? And those are two completely different questions. A perfectly written post that people read and scroll past will always lose to a rage bait that makes people reply. Once you understand that your whole approach to posting changes, there's also a model inside the algorithm called Phoenix. Phoenix is what decides whether your post reaches strangers, people who don't already follow you. Every time you post, Phoenix matches your content against millions of users' engagement histories and shows it to the people that are most likely to engage. But it only kicks in if your followers engage first. If they scroll past you, never leave your follower feed. You never reach Phoenix. Hour one is everything. And niche consistency matters because Phoenix builds a profile of your account over time. The more you post in one niche, the better it gets at finding the right audience for you. Post about 5 different topics and it has no idea who to show your content to. This is literally in the source code, not advice, not theory, the actual code. Okay, it's done. Let's test it. So I typed in the keyword AI tools. Look at this. It's gone through the top performing posts for that keyword and broken down exactly why each one performed. Hook structures, post length, whether it drove replies or retweets, what type of content performed best, hot take, articles, thread, tutorial, the patterns across all of them. And then at the top, the MD file. This is the bit that actually changes things. I take this, drop it straight into Claude or GPT, say write me 10 posts for my niche using this as your guide, and the output is genuinely good because it's not based on generic advice. It's based on what's actually working right now in that specific niche. But then I went one step further. I downloaded the X algorithm zip straight from GitHub, the actual source code. Went back to Adaptive and typed, analyze the X algorithm zip I downloaded from GitHub and optimize this tool for the actual algorithm. Adaptive opened the zip, read every file, mapped out the 19 scoring signals, and updated the tool so that everything it produces is built around what the algorithm actually rewards. So now when I type in a keyword, the output isn't just here's what performed. It's here's what performed, here's why it performed based on the actual scoring system, and here's exactly how to replicate it. No guessing. We're using the actual code. Anyway, that's the full thing. The algorithm, the tool, all of it. Go to adaptive.ai if you want to build your own version. It took me a few minutes, no code involved at all. And if you found this useful, like and subscribe. More coming soon.